All right, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. As you probably already know, this is going to be showing you guys the 10 easiest trampoline tricks to learn as a beginner. So these tricks, anyone can learn at all. These are very simple tricks from the first ones I learned. And also be sure to like the video and subscribe, because at 100 subscribers, I'm going to load my trampoline with balloons, and it's going to be awesome. Even though we're at 0 right now. But you know, it's a grind. So the first trick is a vert twist / double vert twist. I'm going to focus on double vert twist because it looks cooler. You just pull your arms in and twist as fast as you can. Possibly even get triple. So next is a front flip, very straightforward. Just go over your head forward. This is the first flip a lot of people learn. Just make sure your arms go up, throw them down, and tuck. You have it. Next is the cat twist. Just slap your one leg on the trampoline super hard to send you into rotation. As you can see in the slow motion, it'll show you like the form and stuff. And then slap it harder and you can double cat twist like that. The next flip is a side flip. This flip is much easier than most think. You just throw your arm down and you never go upside down. It's like a barrel roll over your side. And tuck and you have a side flip. The next flip is a macaque. It's very easy and you may look familiar because it was in my backflip tutorial video. Just have your arm on the ground and just throw your legs over your head. It'll help you get backflip eventually. Next is the pullover. Also may look familiar from the backflip tutorial. Just land on your lower back and throw your legs over your head and it looks kind of like a backflip. Next, we have a Webster, which is a front flip variation, except it's off of one leg. So you swing your non-jumping leg into the flip and then tuck, and you should have a Webster. It's pretty easy. The next flip is a kaboom. It's like a pullover, except you slap your legs to create rotation, which could be harder, but I find it easier now, not initially. As long as you learn to slap your legs hard, you should have this trick easy. I know this trick might look very hard, but it really isn't. It's like a front flip from standing backwards. And it's a super easy trick that you can learn that looks way cooler than it actually is hard, if that makes sense. And the next, as you probably guessed, is a backflip. I made a tutorial for this in the last video. You guys can go check that out if you need. It's very helpful using different methods like the macaque, which I showed you guys earlier. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe because y'all know what's going to happen at 100 subscribers. Comment any other tricks you think might belong in this video, and if this video helped, and if you guys can do some of these tricks. Also, let me know if you guys need a tutorial for any of the tricks in this video, because I know a lot of you guys will benefit more from a tutorial and not just showing you guys what it is. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment on the video, like it, subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.